Litecoin may grow 3.9% by March 25, according to 30 rates. Let's begin with a brief look at today's price direction. Litecoin is currently seeing a 3.9% uptick and is hovering near $55.80. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. Traders Union projects a decline to $54.34 by tomorrow, an expected decrease of about 2.6%. Litecoin might approach $55.65 according to CoinCodex, a projected decrease of 0.3%. According to Cryptonization, it might move upward toward $56.01, around 0.4% higher. A different analysis from 30 rates projects Litecoin could advance to $57.99, a potential gain close to 3.9%. Finally, Crypto Prediction sees $58.33 by March 25, 4.5% above current value. This is the most profitable forecast among those presented. Those were the 5 key projections. Let's keep watching. We've reviewed the expert opinions. Now let's see the details. After reviewing the forecast spread in full, the price range is estimated between a decline of 2.6% and an increase of 4.5%, depending on the analyst. To sum it up, Crypto Predictions offers the highest forecast with 4.5% gain in value by tomorrow. So it turns out you could earn between $3 and $45 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at the probability figures, CoinCodex comes first with a 84.7% chance of success. Out of the 5 perspectives, I've drawn one consolidated consensus outlook. Consensus expectations put Litecoin near $56.46, indicating mild upward momentum. Let's take a closer look. The consensus snapshot shows a 1.2% gain in price. By the same amount in percentage terms, your capital might also rise. If you invested $1,000, the forecast could mean $12 in profit. According to the consensus view, the scenario has a 78% likelihood of taking shape. Here we go. Let's see what kind of short-term moves analysts are forecasting across the 3-day period. Traders Union indicates that prices could dip further. CoinCodex notes that Litecoin appears set to push higher. An upward push is likewise signaled by Cryptonization. 30 rates points to further downside potential. Crypto Predictions frames the 3-day picture as bullish. The consensus stance presents Litecoin with an upward-leaning trajectory over this short-term horizon. So, the majority outlook signals Litecoin could trend upward. 2 days back, 5 forecasts were published. Now we can see how they matched yesterday's reality. As a result, the end-of-day value came to $55.73. 3 of 5 forecasts were right about the move. Highest accuracy score went to Cryptonization. Let's look at the results more closely. Yesterday's trading range included 3 forecasts. For ROI performance, several analysts achieved gains, but digital coin price stood highest. Here's the full table showing how every forecast performed. And looking at the numbers, 30 rates showed a forecast probability of 76.1%, an accuracy value of and an ROI of 1.5%. Take a moment to notice who stayed most in sync with the market. Now take a look at how Litecoin ranks in tomorrow's expected profitability among several cryptocurrencies. Litecoin remains in the leading spot with a forecasted profit rate of 1.2%. Here I've compared Litecoin with only 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader comparison with many more, along with full analyst stats and accuracy rates, will soon be available on my website and Telegram channel. Before you go, hit like and subscribe if you enjoy staying informed while saving time on research. See you in tomorrow's update.